The human conscious as well as the human mind of both man and women can not only be considered to be the highest and the biggest weakness, but also the exposer and revealer of almost all the bad, cruel, vicious, and malicious, malignant things, not only through which we have been, but also the things we have done to each other and imposed upon the others, particularly in an attempt to exploit their riches, resources, lands, manipulate their perception of reality, corrupt their purity, psychology, mindset, emotion, and to be able to basically take advantage of all their unresolved, unintegrated, unaddressed weaknesses, shadows, insecurities, disadvantages, deficiencies as much as we possibly could, or we still are doing and engaged in the same type of possessive, obsessive, dangerous, lusty, basically temptative behavior because we lack or we just don't have any temperance, modesty, moderation, patience, temperance for ourselves as well as for the others. And because of this kind of lack or absence of self knowledge, self understanding, self sufficiency, self respect, not only are we going out of our ways to harm the others, but we also are obsessed with ourselves and addicted to all the bad materialistic objective pleasures and things into our lives, and we no longer have any capacity for reciprocity, mutual respect, because we just don't have the capability and capacity for truthfulness, authenticity, humility, humanity, modesty, moderation, discipline, reliability into our lives, because all of these qualities are separate from each other, because each and every quality demands and desires different kind of hard work, condition, responsibility, sincerity to be fulfilled and weight to be carried, because these qualities are primary fundamentals and necessary imperatives of the human nature for happiness, friendship, relationship, reciprocity, and also because these qualities require tremendous hard work, thinking, discipline, dedication, consistency, devotion, and many other qualities for the successful development, cultivation, and application into our lives. And that's why we give in to monotony, stupidity, mediocrity, because stupidity is effortless. It requires no thinking, no hard work, no consistency anyways. That's why we just are committing all the evils, because evil is easy and basically tempting, enticing, and definitely we fall into it because we have got no control, temperance in place, because we have neither acknowledged nor confronted the shadow content and basically unconscious material in ourselves. And because of this unacknowledged repression, unintegrated shadow, we will always continue to suffer from the witness of the conscience, from the bad things which we have been through, which we have done to the others. So the conscience is